have water in it.
No, I'm saying like.
What? Oh my god.
It's staying. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, Josiah.
Or something.
Nah, I got it. I'm gonna I want to pick him up to him.
Bro, just try to flush it around. Then always 6 times. What the fuck? Nah, bro, yo.
It like rises back up for some reason.
Dude, are you fucking serious?
What are you doing? Oh my gosh!
Nope.
But it ain't do nothing.
Bro, what the fuck? Bruh. Bro, don't tell me this shit.
But it's like, I don't know, it's just not doing it.
Oh my fucking god.
Like, every time I flush it, look like some shit.
Worried about the wrong thing here.
Bro, why are you rubbing that?
Because
Bro, is that shit, bro?